Hey everyone, welcome back to Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. Today's topic is one that literally bites: ticks. These tiny arachnids can cause major health problems, including Lyme disease, and they're more common than you might think. So grab your tea and let's break down the facts on prevention, detection, and what to do if you're bitten. Ticks are small, blood-feeding parasites related to spiders. They live in grassy, wooded, or bushy areas and can attach to both humans and animals. In the US, the black-legged tick, also known as the deer tick, is the main vector for Lyme disease. They're most active during warmer months, but in some areas they can be found year-round. Ticks can carry bacteria, viruses, and parasites. The most well-known is Lyme disease, with nearly 500,000 estimated cases in the US annually, according to the CDC. Other diseases include anaplasmosis, ehrlichiosis, babesiosis, and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Early symptoms of Lyme disease may include fever, chills, headaches, fatigue, muscle aches, and the hallmark bullseye rash, but not everyone gets it. So how can you protect yourself? Use insect repellents that contain DEET or Permethrin treated clothing. Walk in the center of trails, avoiding tall grass and brush. Wear long sleeves and pants when in wooded areas. Check your body, gear, and pets after spending time outdoors. Ticks love hidden spots. Check under arms, behind ears, around the waist, and even your scalp. To take the tick prevention up a notch, Wirecutter recommends combining skin-based repellents with Permethrin treated clothing for the best defense. Use a 0.5% Permethrin spray or buy pre-treated gear to coat jacket, pants, socks, hats, even tents and backpacks. This kills or irritates ticks on contact and lasts through washing, providing an extra shield beyond just repelling them. It is recommended to reapply Permethrin after about 6 washings or every 6 weeks. On a side note, Permethrin is very dangerous to cats when it's wet, but not when it is dry. Make sure you keep them away from any treated items until fully dry. This repellent matches the effectiveness of DEET, lasting about 8 hours, but it's odorless, less likely to damage fabric, and gentle on the skin. By layering insecticide-treated clothing plus skin repellent, you dramatically reduce your chances of tick attachment. If you find a tick, use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp it close to the skin. Pull upward with steady, even pressure. Avoid crushing the tick. Clean the bite area and your hands with rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Save the tick in a sealed bag if you can. Your doctor might want to test it. And monitor for symptoms for the next few weeks. If you experience a rash or flu-like symptoms, seek medical attention. Ticks may be tiny, but their impact on public health is massive. Now that you're prepared, don't let fear keep you from enjoying the outdoors. Be smart, be safe, and check for ticks. Thanks for watching Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more research-based health content. See you next time where we can sip, spill, and savor knowledge together.